Yuan Simpson di Patti Oito do Bairro Iao Hon Walking Macau Oito do Bairro Iao Hon Walking Macau Oito do Bairro Iao Hon I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, I'm just walking in Macau. No, never get bored in Macau. No, never get bored in Macau. Rua Oito do Bairro Iao Hon, up by the border. Rua Oito do Bairro Iao Hon, oh, a street up by the border. Yeah, I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, I'm just walking in Macau. No, never get bored in Macau. No, never get bored in Macau.
Okay, you can see a sign right there. It says Oito de Bairro. Oito is 8. So we're going to be walking down the 8th street. There's 9 streets total of this Iao Hon area. I'll explain it all in a moment. Let me kind of give you some context where we are. That is a street that kind of follows all the way to the border. So the border would go all the way down to there. So right down there would be the border. You can actually see Zhuhai train station. There's some trees, but like in the distance right there. So we're going to be putting this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're on Oito. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's the reference to the border all the way up to the top. And then we're going to walk down the 8th street. So let's go down. I don't know which one is better, to go on that side or this side. The Iao Hon, a lot of them look like these kind of buildings, and there's these little stairways up that way. So I don't think there is one on this side. I'm going to try to go across. I'm going to go on the other side of the street. I'll explain why in a moment. One, the side that I'm on has a lot of cars already. So we're going to go around like this. And then this all to the right is more of this Iao Hon. It'll make sense in a minute. But over there is a little bit different kinds of apartments. But this Iao Hon has these little stairwell things, and I'll show you these. So these little alleyways, they go all the way down, and then they go up these little steps all the way. So this is actually number 9. So we're on Oito, number 8, and this is 9. So they have the same name. Rua 8, Rua 9 of the barrio, of the neighborhood of Iao Hon. So yeah, that would be number 9. And then number 8 is the one that we're gonna stay on. And we'll try to capture and see what we can see on 8. Okay, and then there's another alley down that way, but it's a different design, kind of different apartments and buildings too. Just kind of show you these apartments because they're kind of unique. This Iao Hon, kind of an older style as well. Kind of interesting. Okay, so let's keep on going straight. So you can still see all these kind of Iao Hon buildings too here. Let me just kind of show you. So now you have the same name again. Number 1, and then we had 8 and 9. So there's 9 altogether. That's kind of what all this Iao Hon looks like. And then this goes up to the border. Okay, so we're going to continue down 8. Lots of people in this area because of the border. We'll kind of walk across a little bit. Okay. So that goes all the way to the border. That's part of our street. These are all those kind of different housing styles that we're focusing on. And our street sign is right here. Oito, the Bairro. So that one is 8. And in the past, I usually try to document all the different streets in Macau, and usually when I come to Iao Hon, I usually just do a genuine because there's like 9 of them, you know. So, but I'm making a conscious effort in 2026 to film all 9. So this is number 8. There's a, I think that goes all the way through. Maybe I don't see the other side, but some of those go all the way through. And then to the right is actually a park. We're gonna, but I'm kind of focusing on these right now. But these are really close to the border. And then this is being renovated. So they have all these fruits and meats and stuff like that, and clothing as well. But it looks like they're renovating and kind of changing the style to it. We'll kind of go through. You can see what they look like. Okay. So I think we're gonna just go through like this. And you can see they're on 2 sides. And I think they're all renovating it as well, so it's going to be a little bit different. Okay. Let's see here. It's going to go across the street, I guess. That goes all the way to the border. And then this, it's like our street has some construction. There's a whole block right here that's under construction. Yeah, and I think this this particular street will end, and then it turns into a different street altogether, which is going to be called a racetrack street, Hippodromo. And Hippodromo is the Portuguese word for racetrack. Let's see, a little courtyard right in here. I think it says Pesquisa, Ocho Pesquisa. I'm not sure. If it was Pesquina, it'd be like a swimming pool. Definitely not a swimming pool though. Okay. So we're going to be coming to the end of our street right there. Oito, the Bairro, Iao Hon. That's our street. Did some construction, so probably it'll be a while before I film it again. When I do it, maybe that street will be realized. But today it's under construction. And then this will come to an ending. And right over there, this street will have a different name. It's called the Direito do Hippodromo. It's like left to right, north, south, something of the racetrack. So it used to be a racetrack in this area. It's all reclaimed land. So that's the reference there. Zhuhai, China is right over there. And then Iao Hon 8 ends right here. So this is the last spot of it. So we're gonna end it right there. So other sites in Macau for you.